Commissioner anytime. Yes, glad to help. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. That is bad. That's good. Oh, that's very good. Well, that's okay. That sounds pretty bad to me, I must say, Commissioner. Yeah, that's good. Just helping the commissioner sort out a box of strawberries.
Wait, Chief. Who's his paper here?
Excited, Ed. It's all right. Now then, what can I do for you, madam? Could you speak up a little, please? Is something distressing you? Your husband can help, maybe. What seems to be the trouble, sir? Your daughter.
Chief, I think it's serious, Chief.
Oh, how do you spell that? Can't say as I've heard of her.
She doesn't have many friends.
Well, that doesn't surprise me, I must say. Where is this girl the moment that she arrives?
She's outside in the corridor, Chief.
Well, then why don't we have her in?
She's in a state of shock. She doesn't seem to be acting in a rational manner.
You mean to tell me you think you're acting in a rational manner? And I want to see this girl. I want to see her now. Get her in.
Won't somebody help me, please? I can't believe it. It's like some terrible, frightening dream. It was last Thursday. I was alone in the meadow with my sheep, and this man came by, had wide, staring eyes. Oh, God, they said I hypnotized me. He gave me a drink of water, and it tasted kind of strange, and suddenly the whole world was spinning and falling, and all the demons of hell were let loose in my head. I screamed and fell. I must have passed out, because when I came to, all my sheep were gone, and the great meadow was empty. It was horrible, horrible.
You want to tell me about it?
I just did.
So you did. I wasn't listening. It seems to me that whoever has these sheep has to spend a lot of time with them, looking after them, tending them, watering them, feeding them. Why didn't we have that fella in that we brought in on a 747?
But he was just a vagrant, Chief.
I want to see him, and I want to see him now, so bring him in.
That's him!
Hey, hold it,
That's
hold it,
him!
girl. Hold it.
I just want to get my hands up.
But, Chief, how did you know it was him?
I had my suspicions the minute he told me his name. What's your name again, son?
Basil Bassi, Chief of Ironside.
I want you to know that I'm sorry I doubted your veracity.
Oh, I lost that years ago.
Good evening, Chief Ironside.
Good evening, Luigi. Now tell me, what have you got for this young lady here?
We have mutton broth, sheep's head soup, lamb chops, roast lamb, and lamb cutlet.